If you're a glasses wearer like me, this is like the perfect makeup for glasses. Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome back to Beauty Medic TV, where you'll experience all things medicine, makeup, and motivation. My name is Samika Williams. If you're new here, welcome. So on today's episode, we'll be exploring makeup and makeup only, and I will be teaching you guys how you can get a fresh full face like this that you can wear everywhere and with everything. But before we get into this video, I would like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, as well as share it because it will really help me out and I will also appreciate it. But let's get into this video. The products that I'm going to mention in this video would be like the perfect makeup starter kit. I'm going to start off with our vitamin E cream. You always want to start with a moisturized face. This step is optional, but I love a matte look, so I'm going in with this matte face primer. And I'm just going to put a little bit in areas where I tend to get oily. I'm gonna let this dry now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with concealer, and I apply this directly on my skin from the tube, and I'm gonna put this under my eyes. As you can see, I have dark circles and bags, and I apply a very significant amount to make sure my bags are covered. And then I'm going to put this on my chin, on my cupid's bow, well not my cupid's bow but above my lip, on the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead. Now for those who don't feel like they're advanced enough, what I would recommend is just putting the concealer under your eyes, on your chin, and on the bridge of your nose. So what we're going to do now is we're going to apply some foundation, and I'm going to apply the foundation on the perimeters of the concealer. And notice I did not draw my eyebrows and I'm not concealing them, and y'all will see why. And as you can see, I did not put the foundation on my face, on my forehead. I concentrated the foundation on my cheeks because that is where I have most of my problem areas, which is hyperpigmentation and dark spots. So I usually put most of my foundations on my cheeks, and I use the excess to blend out the rest of my face, which you will see. When I'm blending out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it in a pat and swipe motion. So now when it comes to my forehead, like I said, I just use the excess foundation, and I don't be afraid to go over my brows, simply because we will be drawing them in. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm actually just going to blend out the concealer with this CM brush. And as you can see, using that little lighter shade of the concealer, it looks as though we have like a little light hit in our face, and it gives us a little dimension. Now I do take that concealer all the way into my nose, and we're gonna fix our contour. And putting on your concealer first allows the concealer to set a little bit, and it doesn't move around a lot when you're blending it out. And I feel like that is a makeup hack that everybody needs to get into, because sometimes the concealer looks so sheer. What I forgot to mention is wherever you put cream, you want to always set with powder. That is the golden rule to makeup. I feel as though it's the golden rule to makeup. Wherever you put cream, you want to put powder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set under my eyes. Now I'm going to use this Sascha Buttercup setting powder simply because I love the finish it gives, and I'm going to set under my eyes. Matter of fact, I'm going to set my whole face with this today. Whatever setting powder or face powder you use, you can set your whole face with it, and that is the purpose of going in with a lighter color concealer to highlight your face. yet, but you can stop here. But I like to take the extra effort and contour and add a little highlight just to bring some structure back into my face. And remember I said I don't take the foundation on my neck, and this is how I prevent my makeup from looking like a mask. So what I do is I take the contour and I just do it on my jawline as well as a little bit on my neck. So if I turn, it looks as if it's a shadow instead of product. This step is also optional, but I love a nose contour. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that same contour powder and I'm gonna bring it inside my lids a little bit and then just drag it on the side of my nose and then drag it down. I recently got back into blush and it provides a little bit of color to your face. I feel like you look more alive, you look more refreshed and rejuvenated when you do blush. So I just like to go in with like a peachy shade and I smile and add color to my face. And now we're gonna set our face. So I'm going to go in with some highlights and we're not going to do too much, just a little bit. The face is done and now we're going to move on to the eyes. I will be coming out with a detailed brow tutorial. I really can't see it with my glasses, I'm sorry y'all. I'm just going to use a spoolie to ensure that my brows are like groomed. Now for the finishing touches, what we're going to do is we're going to go in with some mascara on her top and bottom lashes. I can't even do this. I have to look it down. Okay, hold on. Okay. Then we're gonna do lips. We're gonna line our lips. Now for me, I use the same pomade that I use for my brows, but I'm just gonna lightly line my lips too. Just like slightly line my lips, not too much. And some lip gloss. And this is us. You look so cute. So not too much, not too little, just right, you know. I'm gonna fix my hair and be right back so y'all can see how this look will be put together. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I hope you do apply some of these steps into your makeup routine as well as some of these products in your makeup kit, because baby, all 2021 we're gonna feel our best, and we normally feel our best when we look our best. If you wish to keep up with me, you can follow me on Instagram at _thebeautymedic or at _always_the_topic. You can follow me on Twitter at _always_the_topic, as well as Facebook, Simeka Williams, SIMEKA. Thank you for watching and I can't wait to see you in my next video.